Shalom. Hi, I'm Yoav from Wix, architect at Wix. I'm going to give you a small introduction to what we're doing. And basically, Wix is a tool to build websites, and which allows a person to work inside the browser, open a PowerPoint-like interface, and author his website and publish the website directly from the browser. You can also add components into those websites, like e-commerce, chat, different applications. We have an SDK that you can extend Wix and add more types of applications into it. Just to give you a short view, that's the way that our editor tools looks like, and that tool that is in the browser. A website will look like any professional website. It doesn't look like anything built with a template or a certain design. You can go and make any design you want with Wix. And just to give you some sense about the numbers, Wix, the company is about 7 years old. We have over 39 million websites built on Wix, over 1 million new websites and new users every month, over 200, I think we're already above 200 terabytes of media files, over 200 servers, over 100 million API calls into our data centers every day, and that is not counting media that goes through our CDN. So there's quite a lot going on there. And coming back to DevOps days, regarding DevOps and Wix, from our point of view, we have a strategic target to do continuous delivery. And when I'm saying continuous delivery, I'm talking about a very broad sense, from a product idea all the way to have a product working with hundreds of thousands of users. And we want to minimize the time that we do it. And as part of that target, we're doing DevOps. And DevOps, for us, is one of the enablers in order to do that. And that, when I'm saying that it is a strategic goal, when the CEO of Wix had a requirement, I want continuous delivery at Wix. And so with other keywords like TDD or DevOps are things that are inside R&D. This is something at the strategic level of the company. And our R&D is over 100 people. The way we have restructured our organization and restructured our way of thinking in a more DevOps way, the focus of our ops team or DevOps team is more about building the tools and building the enablers. It's more about doing the ongoing operations, like deciding which data center gets the traffic, moving between data centers, guiding developers and helping developers to create the tools and all of the infrastructure they need. The guys that actually do the deployments are the developers, and they are responsible for the deployments. They're responsible for their products and for their services, and they are the guys that will fix problems, even if that's in 3 a.m. in the morning. And just to give you a small anecdote about cultural change, we are today that cultural change is something that is very difficult to do. What we found that the best tool, well, actually the tool to work for us to do a cultural change, was a television. When we placed a television or a monitor inside the dev room, and the guys there opened our monitor tool and had it in front of them all the time, on their screen. The net result was that within 2 weeks later, that service worked twice as fast. Another week later, it works another twice as fast. So it got 4 times faster just in 3 weeks, just by placing a TV. And the number of failures there was reduced very fast. And so just by exposing data to developers. And so that is one way we're changing the culture of the company. And I guess now we're going for a break. So enjoy and have coffee and